Hello everyone, I've got another Miele vacuum cleaner to unbox and demonstrate today. This is the brand new Miele Micro Blizzard. I've shown you the full-size Blizzard on my channel quite a while ago, but Theo Klein have come up with this tiny design, exactly the same form and function as its big brother, but it's designed for people with tiny homes and very small areas to clean. It's very light and it's cordless, unlike the mains powered full-size machine. This uses batteries. So without any further ado, I'm going to remove it from the box and we'll take a closer look at the new Miele Blizzard Micro. Here's everything out of the box. We get the cleaner itself, an ultra lightweight extension wand, Miele's EcoTech Plus carpet and hard floor nozzle, a comfort grip handle and a flexible hose. So the first thing we need to do is attach the hose to the cleaner. That fits here. It's just a push and twist action. Push it on and twist like so, and then we need to fit the other end of the hose to the comfort handle. Again, just push and twist until it's securely in place. It's nearly in. Just make sure it's pushed fully home. You don't want it coming off while you're cleaning. And the hose is crush proof, so it should pop back there. I don't think it'll go on any further. On this model, the hose doesn't actually swivel, unfortunately, as it does on the full-sized Blizzard. Then we have the wand. That's just a push fit. Be careful because you don't want to break the wand. It is ultra light, but it's quite fragile. Obviously, the full-sized Blizzard has the metal telescopic wand. And then onto the end of the wand, we can fit Miele's EcoTech Plus head. That has two wheels for easy maneuverability, and as you can see, it's got a wide suction channel to pick up larger debris, and that pushes on just to the end of the wand like so. Make sure you've got the comfort handle straight, so just twist it until it's in a comfortable position. The nozzle moves very easily across the carpet due to the large rear wheels, and as you can see, the machine itself is also very maneuverable thanks to the 4 swivel casters. So instead of 2 fixed wheels at the back and a single caster, Miele have fitted, or Theo Klein for Miele have fitted 1, 2, 3, 4 swivel casters. On this ultra compact machine, you don't get any additional tools. If you want the additional tools that fit here, the crevice tool and the upholstery nozzle, you do need to buy the full-sized mains powered model, not this ultra compact one. We still have a bagless container at the back. Just pulls off and it can be emptied very easily by lifting this flap and tipping out the debris. There's no filter on this machine, no need to clean a filter because they've cleverly done away with it. And that just fits back into the machine like so. The controls are mounted on the top of the machine. Here we have the on-off button that can be hand or foot operated, and then a simulated comfort cord rewind button. I say simulated because obviously being a cordless machine there is no cord, so Miele have just done that just to provide a bit of extra detail, but that button doesn't do anything. Nor does this button here. This is the suction control, the electronic speed control you'd find on the full-sized mains machine, but on this ultra compact machine it just makes a clicking noise like so. So it can provide hours of fun if you like a clicking noise. And that basically is all the controls. For ease of carrying and compact storage, you can fit the wand and EcoTech floor head to the back of the machine. It fits into the slots here. This is so light you can pick it up using one finger. Before completing a tiny mess test with this cleaner, I need to insert the batteries. This Miele takes 3 R14 C-sized batteries, and to access the battery compartment you need to undo a single screw. So let's do that now. And then we can open up the battery compartment and insert the batteries. When inserting the batteries, make sure you observe the correct polarity. I'm using rechargeable batteries that aren't recommended. It's best to use non-rechargeable alkaline batteries in this Theo Klein machine. Once the batteries are correctly inserted, replace the battery cover and tighten the screw. To switch on the cleaner, press the power button once. Theo Klein have thoughtfully provided a bag of test dirt, but make sure you keep this test dirt out of the reach of young children because it could be a swallow hazard. Obviously, this is a compact vacuum for adult use, but you could allow a child to use it under supervision. So I've got a bit of black test carpet here to see how well this Theo Klein Miele performs, and I'm going to sprinkle out the test dirt. As you can see, plenty of dirt for it to pick up. If you want further dirt, you can buy small polystyrene balls in various colours from places like Amazon. It's quite easy to lose this test dirt. Some of it won't come out of the bag due to static, but I think we've got enough dirt here to test out this Miele Blizzard. You can hear how whisper quiet the machine is. It is picking up some of the dirt. You might need to press a bit harder to help the powerful suction deal with all these polystyrene balls. You can certainly use this at any time of the day without disturbing your neighbours. It is very, very quiet. You can see it is picking up the balls into the bagless compartment. You can also pick up the simulated dirt directly through the comfort handle. Thanks to the clear bagless container, you can see all the simulated dirt being collected. Once all the dirt has been picked up, you can empty the container by pulling on the handle at the back, taking it to your bin, or in this case, re-emptying it onto the carpet. There's a little slide here, you just need to move that up, like so, and then you can empty out all the dirt again and repeat the process. Slow and steady wins the race. After a bit of perseverance, all the simulated dirt has been collected. That's just about the end of my demonstration on the Miele Micro Blizzard by Theo Klein. You might find this in some toy shops because I believe some retailers have mistaken this for a children's toy. I'm not a child, I'm a fully grown adult male, and I found this very useful around my home for picking up simulated dirt such as the polystyrene balls. You might be able to pick up small pieces of paper or confetti with this machine as well, so it is quite versatile. If you want a machine that's going to deal with pet hair and more deep down dirt, then I suggest you check out my review for the full-sized mains powered Miele Blizzard. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all very soon for the next video. Bye for now.